Good afternoon, sir. My name is Tendai Gotori. I'm here to acquire some information concerning ZZAC's miracles. We would like to draw to everybody's attention about your testimony. So, first of all, I would like to know your name. What's your name?
Leslie House.
I'm sorry?
Leslie House.
Okay, fine. Thank you. How old are you?
I'm 31 this year.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Richmond, Bulawayo.
Okay. What have you heard about ZZAC, Zvapupu Church's Apostolic Church, that convinced you to visit the church?
That they are powerful in prayer, and when I was just driving, then something just drove me and pulled me to come here.
You were just passing by?
Passing, going back into town, and something just pulled me and said, no, I seen these people walking on the road, and then something just told me to inquire.
Okay.
I was driving past a few of them, and then something just told me to stop by this individual and ask him. And that's what I did, and he says, yes, they can help me.
Okay. So, if you mind, would you like to tell me briefly about the challenges and problems that you had been facing before actually getting into ZZAC? What were your problems?
I have problems with my family. I know that they don't believe in me, always fighting with me. Anything I say, they're always against it. I know that I have problems with my girlfriend, not respecting me, always breaking up with me and then getting back with me, always breaking up with me, asking me just for us to be friends. And that's what she was feeling. I know that but I know that deep down inside she does truly and truly love me. She's also under pressure and a lot of stress as well from her sister and the rest of her family. People were going around speaking bad about me, telling her family that I lose it at times and I go mad, and that I don't respect my mom and my dad, and I shout at them and I fight with them, and they're so afraid of me.
Okay.
And so, also not having a job and not looking for a job and just not getting it.
Mm-hmm. Do you have any qualifications?
I'm a pilot too by trade. I'm a pilot too. I'm a machinist with pilot tools. I'm a machinist, I'm a programmer, and I'm a setter. Mm-hmm.
So
I'm a driller as well with just another trade, a driller, a welder, all those things.
So you are actually well qualified in all those trades, and you couldn't find a job?
No, I'm not looking for a job in that department. I'm also qualified in sales. In a sales rep, I work for real estate in South Africa as well. I want to do something else. I would like to explore the world and just find new things. I don't want to limit myself only. I want to expand myself and just get more qualifications and get myself detailed and filled with more knowledge and all that. Yeah.
Okay. In brief, how many qualifications do you have?
Sales, machining, setting, well, 7, 8.
That's enough. Okay, fine. So, as your testimony, what has happened tangible in your life, and how long it took for the complete revolution? What have the prophets said to you, and what have you believed, and what has happened so far?
They said to me, anything is possible with God. Jesus says that if you believe, then He will do it. And that's what they told me, and they preached that to me, and I even heard them saying that in the church. And that's what they said to me before they prayed for me and helped me out and all that. And the prophet said to me, before today, end of today, you will get a phone call from your girlfriend. She phoned me twice and she sent me 2 police calls already.
Wow.
And that is a miracle enough, because this morning she didn't want to talk to me at all. And now she phoned me and all that. She told me that she's a bit short with money at work and all that, asking for my help and all that, because she knows she's got no one else that will help and no one else to go to but me. Yes. And then she also phoned me again, and then she sent me a police call. The first police call I phoned her back, she wasn't answering. And the second police call, she answered. He says no, she's just letting me know that she's no more in town. She's leaving town. She's boarded a taxi. She's on her way to suburbs now.
Okay. All right. So briefly, I would like you to comment about the change. What do you have to say about it?
It's powerful. It's powerful. I've seen that it's very powerful. And they said if you just believe anything, all things are possible with Christ, then it will happen. And so far, I believe so much, and it is happening so far.
Fine.
Thus far, it's happening, and I've already seen changes.
What do you say about the God of ZZAC? The God, not the change now.
God is powerful.
Wow.
God is very powerful.
Thank you. So, in summation, what is your message to those non-believers, to the entire congregation of ZZAC? What do you have to say to them, such that they might get help from a testimony?
Right, the Bible is there. We all read the Bible and we all know that it's the book. It's the book of life and it's the book of God. And know that if it's written in the Bible and God said it, He will do it. Nothing is too impossible with God. There's nothing that's impossible with God. All things are possible with God. You just need to believe and have faith, and it will happen. When you pray, when you do these things that come with, and know that you pray, and know that everything that you start to do, and you do it. And the prophets, just believe that it's already done and it is done. Believe you've received and it's done.
Thank you, sir. I don't know how to thank you on your interview.
Thank you
so
very much.
Thank you for your time. I've been in an interview with someone who has just got help from the prophets entirely in 5 minutes. I would wish that everyone would watch this video so that it would help you wherever you are. Thank you.